Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at setting up and using tax shift function keys on the ER-900 series of registers. In this video I'm using the 940, but the process will be the same across the range. So if you've got tax set up on your 900 but you want the ability to only apply it to random products, then you can set up tax shift buttons. It might be that you're selling certain type of goods, maybe they're normally don't include tax, but if you sell them to certain types of people or maybe to businesses, then you need to add tax on to different products. It's quite easy to set up. I'll just show you quickly. We'll use one PLU as a test. So in the reg mode, if we sell £10 through my PLU1, I've got no tax showing on the sale, but I have previously set up tax rates, one to be 20% add in VAT, and tax rate 2 to be 5%, and I'll show you how you can set up buttons to add those on at the point of sale, so like a manual tax shift button. What you will need is the metal key marked C. Be helpful if you've got access to the manual, so I'm getting this information from page 78 and 79 of the manual. When you go to the service mode, you need to type in 70 subtotal, and then that takes you into key assignment programming, and then you've got a list. If you've got access to the manual, this chart is crucial. It's showing you all the different function keys you can set up on the machine. We're looking for tax shift 1 to start with, so that's 203. So you type in 203 and then press the button that you want to be your tax shift 1 button. So a couple of things here. You've got to make sure you don't press a button that you actually need to use. So I don't use check number, so I'm going to have that as my tax 1 button. And then you press cash to save. The other thing is to remember to mark it up on your keyboard, so you've got to know that that's tax shift 1. I'm now going to set up a tax shift 2 button, so the code for that is 204. So I'm still in the service mode, 70 subtotal, and then my code for tax shift 2 is 204, and then I press the button, so it makes sense for me to have them next to each other. So I've got service check and then cash to save. You get a little printout confirming what you've done, so tax 2 and tax 1. Key back round to reg mode. So obviously this video does presume that you've already set up the tax rates. If you haven't, then I'll put a link up to the video showing you how to set the tax rates up at the end of this one. I already have. So if we remember, if I sell £10 through PLU1 as normal on the machine, there's no tax recorded, it's just £10, no tax. If I want to apply tax to the sale, then I press, depending on which one I want, so if I want to apply tax 1, I press the tax 1 shift. Then when I sell my £10, because mine is an add-in tax, this is going to say something like £8.34, and then the tax, if I'd set the tax to be, so it's £8.33 and then 167 tax, that's correct, because if I do it again, tax 1, £12, PLU1, that's £12, of which there is £2 tax, so that's a sale of £10 plus VAT at 20%. And then obviously if I want to use the other tax shift button, tax 2, £10, PLU1, and that's got the tax in there as well. So obviously there's different ways of setting up tax. This is the manual way of doing it. If you just sell to all the same types of people all the time, all the same products, then you might want to look at automating your tax, so you've got it applied to the item rather than have it manually shift in. But if you need it to shift, then that's how you set it up. So I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the 900 series, including the video on setting up the tax rates to start with and then applying them to all the PLUs, so it may be worth you checking those out as well. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.